Being a virtual assistant is one of the online job opportunities you can start with little or no cash. The good news is anyone can become a virtual assistant. In this video, I want to show you the steps to take in order to make money online as a virtual assistant. But you might be asking, who is a virtual assistant? Before we get started, I produce content on making money online, computer tech tips, and freelancing. If you love this topic, subscribe now and hit the bell notification so as you don't miss when I upload videos like this. A virtual assistant is a service provider who provides services to businesses while working at home or anywhere they have the internet. Basically, they can do anything an office assistant can do, even more. As a beginner virtual assistant, you may charge anywhere between $5 to $10 per hour depending on your skills. Those in native language countries charge as high as $16 to $20 per hour, also depending on their skills, but you can charge even higher if you become an expert in the niche you choose. So, what type of work do they do? The type of work you can offer to your clients as a virtual assistant includes social media management, administrative tasks like organizing digital documents, email management, blog management or WordPress manager, researching, creating content, video editing, and lead generation, and more others. How do you start in order to make money online as a virtual assistant? 1. Choose a service to offer. As I have mentioned the type of work you can do, what you need to do is choose one service from the above. After choosing that service, you need to take a course. That is number 2. Take a course. I have created a video to show you how you can get courses for free. So watch out on the video on the top right corner. Number 3. Set your rate. After you've chosen a niche, you have taken a course and you're confident enough that you can be able to offer it as a service. Then you need to set your rate. Remember what I said in the introduction, that beginners can charge $5 to $6 per hour. So do your research, know how much you can start with, and start doing work. Remember, you can learn as you work. Talking about learning as you work, number 4 is find a job to work on. I recommend that beginners start with Fiverr.com. I have a video that shows you how you can start working on Fiverr. So watch out the video on the top right corner, plus other videos about Fiverr that I've created to make sure that you are successful on Fiverr. Number 5, create your portfolio. This is where you display your previous work, so as new clients can see your work and even read reviews from your previous clients. Remember, when you find jobs on Fiverr.com, you will not have any portfolio, so you need to create one whenever you get a client. So this is what you'll be displaying to a new client whenever you want to sell to that client. And number 5, market your services. After honing your skills and being sure that you can offer these services online, what you need to do is market your service. And how do you do this? And where do you market your services? You can market your services online like Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn. If you don't know how to, then I have a video dedicated to how you can market your service online. And the other way, you can go back to point number 2 where I say that you take a course. You can take a course on how to market yourself online. These courses are all over. You can find free of them. So guys, with the information I've just given you above, do you think you want to become a virtual assistant? Then take action now and go and learn. Remember to like this video so that other people may benefit like you did. See you in the next video.